Hey everyone, welcome back. If the CommBank app keeps crashing, it is usually caused by corrupted app data or a recent update issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the CommBank app, and then swipe it away. After that, wait for a few while and open it. Then restart your phone to clear temporary memory problems. Make sure both the CommBank app and your phone's operating system are fully updated. Go to the App Store, search for the CommBank, and see whether you have updated the app or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes updated. Also, check whether you have updated the system of your phone or not. On Android, clear the app cache from your phone settings. If the crashing continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app. Once you install the app, go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it and sign in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.